Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about hair healing, hair strengthening, what is the difference, and which one's bullshit. So I feel like there's been a lot of talk surrounding these hair terms, and I kind of wanted to shed some light on it and basically explain kind of what each one is. And I feel like a lot of these words sometimes get misused and I think just create more confusion in the industry. So I think a blanket statement is healing hair. Let's heal broken, damaged hair from bleaching, from coloring, from processing. In order to heal hair, it means that the hair needs to be completely whole as it was naturally, completely untouched. So first of all, in order to heal hair, you would need to know what is actually wrong with the hair. Is it in need of hydration? Is it in need of repair within its structure? So let's start with the most difficult one, and that is actually broken, damaged hair. This is not dryness, this is actual chemical breakage. The only way to actually heal that in the hair is to actually repair the bonds within the hair structure so that the hair is strengthened once again and basically as close to its natural state as possible. The way to do that is with an Olaplex Bond Builder or a K18 molecular mask. It has to be a product that is specifically formulated to build bonds within the hair that were broken through coloring or lightening processing. Now, in addition to that, your hair may be dehydrated from processing as well, and therefore adding hydration does help the look and feel of your hair. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's healed the inside of the hair. So I think this is the part where it's kind of confusing. Another thing that can make this whole situation super confusing is, say you got your hair highlighted 2 years ago, and your hair felt a little dry, you did a few masks, your hair felt great, nice, okay, and then you feel like, oh, that totally healed my hair. Say, fast forward to now, you highlight your hair again, maybe your hair was still somewhat damaged from that first processing, now you're doing it some more, now your hair is double processed and double damaged. Now, if you go in with just hydration, that alone is not going to help anymore. And I see this all the time in my virtual consults where clients are like, I'm doing the same thing I was doing before. It's no longer working for my hair. And the reason is because you're constantly coloring and changing your hair. Even if you're doing the exact same color you have been for the last 6 years, the fact that it is cumulative is sometimes a reason why then what you do to treat the hair is no longer serving it. And then another way to help strengthen the hair is by avoiding a ton of heat on the hair. When the hair is, say, already at a fragile state, adding more heat to it is only going to make it worse. Even though it is essentially damaging hair in a different area or a different inner part of the hair, but you're still weakening another section within the hair, therefore making the hair even less strong than it was before. So in conclusion here, I think the better word that we should use in order to talk about breakage and how to fix it is to strengthen the hair, because I think that's also scientifically more correct. Also, considering the hair is not alive, to heal something I feel like just is more associated with something that is alive. And considering the hair is a protein where we want to really protect and keep whole, I think strengthen is a much better word to describe what it is I think we're all trying to do to our hair. So all these tips will help you do that. Stick to a bond building mask, whether it's Olaplex or K18. Try and avoid as much heat as possible when you're looking to strengthen your hair. And of course, hydration is also a very key part in this, but hydration alone isn't what's going to strengthen the hair. All right, I hope you enjoyed this super simple, quick video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.